We have given two figures here. In the first figure, we have to know how 21 came from these three numbers 64, 36 and 49. In the same way, we have to find out this number by the help of 121, 81 and 100. So what should we do here? Let's try the addition of square root. Root overs of 64 plus root over of 49 plus root over of 36 equal to 8 plus 7 plus 36 root over 6. This is 21. 21 finally came. In the same way, we have to do the same operation. Root over of 121, root over of 100 plus root over of 81. This is 11 plus 10 plus 9 and this is 30. So finally 30 came and option B is the answer.